Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by assessing the cord and accessing it. Check its type, length, and where it's frayed so you don't guess. Next, prepare tools, safety pin, needle and thread, pliers, tape, and a lighter, and lay them within reach. Once done, open just enough of the casing or seam to expose the cord entry. You want access without wide damage. You're now ready to remove the damaged section or pull the whole cord free, keeping one end secured with tape so it won't disappear into the channel. You'll now remove or repair the cord. Thread a safety pin or bodkin through the casing and latch the cord, using pliers to ease past tight corners. If you're splicing, trim frayed ends clean, overlap about 1/2 inch, and bind with strong thread or use a small sleeve. Sew across the splice for strength. If replacing, feed the new cord on the pin through the channel steadily. For synthetic cord ends, melt slightly or apply fabric glue so the ends won't unravel during use. Finish by rethreading the cord. Attach it to your pin or bodkin and feed it back through slowly while smoothing the casing so it doesn't twist. Make sure the opposite end remains taped or clamped so the cord won't slip inside as you work. Once both ends are out, even the lengths and secure ends, then close the seam neatly with hand stitches or a machine, matching the original tension. If it jams, stop, widen the entry a little, and inspect for knots or fabric bunching before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.